Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. I've got a Hotpoint washing machine, 8 kg HE8L493 washing machine. I'm going to show you how to do the lint filter. Down at the bottom there would usually be a fascia panel that covers this, which you would pop out using a knife on top and just lever the knife down, pop it out. It's missing from this model, but what's important is this bit in here. This is the drain filter in here. I'm expecting there to be quite a bit of water coming out of it, because there's water in the machine, so I'm suspecting a pump or a drain fault on this machine. So this is how you clear it out. Let's have a look. The filter seems remarkably clean. The pump feels as it should. The impeller blades spin normally, but that's how you clean the lint filter on that anyways. Hopefully that's helpful to you. Thanks for watching. See you later.